Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install games from Google Play Store, but you can't seem to find them using TCL 408. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Here, if we try to find a Call of Duty or basically any other game, it's not available. There's an icon, but if we click on it, nothing happens. To fix this, go back. In the home screen, click in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. Now enter family, select parental controls. Now you can either disable parental controls entirely or click on apps and games and enter the PIN code. Click on OK and increase the PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if we go and look for the game again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.